Looking for the best keycap puller tool but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best keycap puller tool based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. This keycap puller is a must-have for any mechanical keyboard owner. The standout feature is its compact, high-quality construction, which makes it easy to use and store. With its stainless steel wires and 2-piece keyboard cleaning brush, you'll be able to keep your keyboard in top condition without any hassle. It's also incredibly versatile, fitting most mechanical keyboards including Cherry MX, Alps, and Topper switches. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient keycap puller, this is the tool for you. Number 4. The KEMOVE P10 is a game-changing tool for anyone who spends a lot of time working on their keyboard. The standout feature is its semi-automatic switch puller, which makes it easy to remove switches without straining your fingers. It's also incredibly efficient, saving you up to 20 minutes during keyboard cleaning or customization. With its durable and reliable materials, you can trust that it will last for a long time. If you're tired of tedious switch removal, the KEMOVE P10 is the perfect solution. Number 3. This keycap puller is a high-quality tool that's designed to last. The standout feature is its 2-in-1 design, which makes it easy to remove and replace keycaps and switches. It's made from high-quality stainless steel and plastic, which ensures durability and reliability. If you're a serious keyboard gamer or enthusiast, this tool is a must-have. With its wide compatibility and easy-to-use design, you'll be able to keep your keyboard in top condition without any hassle. Number 2. This GATERON Twins tool is a clever little device that packs 2 functions into one. The standout feature is its versatility. With one tool, you can easily remove and replace gaming keyboard switches and keycaps. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts who like to tweak and customize their keyboards. With its compact design and PC material housing, it's easy to use and store. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to work on your keyboard, the GATERON Twins tool is the way to go. Number 1. This keyboard remover tool kit is a game-changer for any serious keyboard enthusiast. The standout feature is the inclusion of a 5G keyboard lube, which makes cleaning and maintaining your mechanical keyboard a breeze. If you're tired of dealing with sticky keys or worn-out switches, this kit is for you. With its high-quality tools and easy keycap removal, you'll be able to keep your keyboard in top condition without breaking the bank. It's a must-have for anyone who takes their keyboard gaming seriously. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.